Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my wigs. This particular wig is from alipearlhair.com. This is my everyday work wig and it's very much time for it to be washed. This is the Body Wave 24-inch wig. I will leave the details of the hair in the description box for anyone that's interested. So at this point I'm about to go in and begin washing the wig. I'm going to use my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These two items can actually be found at Walmart. The white bottle is actually the conditioner, while the black bottle is the shampoo. Please be sure to clean your sink before you start this process. I didn't record that portion. Right here I have a wide tooth comb that I'm going to use during the process, and a paddle brush. Both of these items can be found at Walmart as well. So now I'm going to go in and basically brush through the hair and comb through the hair to ensure there's no tangles or nags or snags or whatever throughout the wig before I start washing the wig. You may have to grip the ends of the wig in order to get the tangles out, especially if it's a longer wig. This specific wig is about 24 inches, so I had to do what I had to do, honey, to get those tangles out. Once you have brushed and combed the wig to ensure all of the tangles are out, be sure to turn on your hot water. You would like to wash your wig in warm water. So right now I'm just checking to make sure that the water is warm before I start my process. So I lay the wig on the side of the sink while I just play with the water to make sure it's warm first. And it actually took a minute for me to get it right. Okay, so once the water is warm, you should go in and wet the entire wig. Do not be shy. The entire wig can get wet. It'll just dry. You won't hurt anything, especially for the wig beginners who's worried about that. You can wet the entire wig, because what we don't want to wash some areas of the wig and leave other areas dirty. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Tresemme shampoo. I'm going to put a small amount in the center of my hand. You don't want to put too much, but I do wash this wig about 2 to 3 times, so you may see the same process more than once. I'm going to go in and cover the entire wig with the shampoo and begin my washing process. Be sure to comb through the hair using your wide tooth comb periodically as you are washing the wig, just to ensure that all of the hair is getting the same attention, and you just want to make sure that the entire wig is actually getting shampooed properly. Now you can see I'm going to go in and wash the wig again. I'm really going to fast forward through this process because I believe I washed the wig 3 times and it's the same process over and over, and you guys are already familiar with it. So I'm going in, making sure the entire wig is wet, and I'm going to wash the wig again 2 more times. So yeah, I'm about to speed up the video right now. I have washed the wig 3 times. This wig was really dirty, you guys. Like, I actually seen the just dirt coming off of this wig. But I'm going to go in with the Tresemme conditioner right now. I'm going to put a pretty decent amount in the middle of my hand and go in and cover the entire wig with the conditioner. Go in using your wide tooth comb and comb the hair once you drench the entire wig with the conditioner, because you want to make sure that all of the strands of the hair once again are getting the same attention, so the hair can be just popping, baby, once it dries. So I let the conditioner sit on the wig for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can do longer if you would like, but I think 15 minutes is just enough for you to get that perfect look that you're going for at the end. Once you have let the conditioner sit in the wig for 10 to 15 minutes, go in with cold water to wash out the conditioner from the wig. This will just flatten the wig out even more and give you that perfect look that you're going for. So now I have washed the conditioner out of the wig. So basically I'm going to go in right now and just place this wig on top of a towel. I'm not going to blow dry the wig because I feel like when I blow dry my wigs, my hair looks very frizzy and I do not like the way it looks. So I would prefer to air dry my wig. So I place my wig on top of a towel and let it sit there, and I just let it air dry. It doesn't usually take long to air dry at all. And once it's dry, I go in with the styling. So at this point, I'm just going to open up that towel and place the wig inside of the towel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on how I wash my wigs. Be sure to look at all the details below in the description box and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.